What's up, Amazon KDP self-publishers? Ike Pons here once again. And I was thinking about the last video I made where I uncovered this BJJ journal micro niche for the low content market. I was thinking of another way to up the perceived value so that you can charge more and earn more per royalty, per sale, I should say. So this is that video. Okay, so I'm going to show you what you're going to do with Techo. By the way, if you want Techo, I have a link down below. Yeah, I'm going to let you know exactly what you do to increase the value. Okay, there's many ways to do it with Techo, but this is a cool way that I'm going to show you in this video. First thing you want to do is, let me scale myself down. You can go to any free AI tool. You know, I'm assuming you're not getting the AI version of Techo. Let's say you just have the Pro or Basic or just the Pro version, and you want to up the ante with the value here. You can always add quotes. Okay, so I just asked the AI, give me 140 martial art quotes that I can use for my BJJ, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, by the way, is a martial art, BJJ journal / logbook. Okay. So that's what I did. Okay, so I went ahead and I got all these different quotes and copy it like such. And I'm going to go into Techo, right here, and check this out. Okay, so I'm going to go to bulk. Oh, by the way, the trim size 6.9. Okay, really important. Okay. And by the way, if you're interested in how all of these different aspects, these different features work, you can get the training for free down below. All you got to do is go to toolshelf.app, access in here. You not only do you get a ton of free tools that help you on your Amazon KDP journey or printable journey for that matter, you also get the training for free. Okay, so check that out. Now let's continue. So I'm in here, okay. I'm going to go to bulk because why not, right? Like I always say, if you want to create the book page by page, by all means, we can accommodate you. But if you're like me, you want to do it all at once. Okay, so I'm going to go to quotes here. Go to quotes. I already have it here. BJJ training log, okay. I'm not going to use the AI, the built-in AI. I recommend you do, but if you're not going to get the AI version, that's on you. And you just want to use some free AI to put it into this. That's what I'm doing here. I'm going to dump it in here just like that. And I'm going to click Build Quotebook. And it's going to create my quotebook. Okay, that's simple. Okay, it has the quotes at the top. Let me expand on that. It's a great way to, again, incrementally, by a little bit, increase the asking price of your book. Okay, and that builds up. Okay, it builds up when you're selling these at high volume. Okay, so we have our book. Now, of course, I recommend you add a copyright. Just click copyright here, click plus and add your copyright. I've done it in so many videos. And again, in the training, if you go to Tool Shelf and you become a member, you can get that training at no cost. Anyways, I'm going to export as a PDF to show you what it looks like. Okay, let's download that and see what that looks like. Very good. Very good. All the book is done. And okay, let me know your thoughts. And as for the final question, this is a question I asked before, but I want to see if I can get any patterns here, if I get repeat answers. What kind of videos would you like me to create? Okay, I want to know what kind of videos you'd like me to create so that I can better tailor the content I'm creating on this channel to help you succeed online within this market, within either printables or Amazon KDP. For me, Amazon KDP is much easier, even though I got started with printables. And that's where I got my real success with printables. And I still earn with printables. But I don't invest as much time with printables as I do with Amazon KDP because it's hands down much easier. I have so many people testimonials from people within our inner circle, within support, regular people who earn daily with low content, high content, and mid content books is just much easier to do. Not to say I'm in love with Amazon, because Amazon has its faults, but it is hands down, in my humble opinion, the easiest way to earn online. With that being said, here's a question. What type of content would you like me to create? I really want to know. Be good, take care, have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video.